So this is Richard back at you. Got a lot of work going on in the house. Got the Dirty Bird all tore up, got the motor out of it, all kinds of stuff. But the most important thing is customers. We got a Ram 3500 in here. This is an '07 model. Pretty heavy vehicle. Got a welder on the back, stuff like that. They pull their race cars and stuff with it. I think this is the third tranny I believe they've had in this truck since they've had it going. Multiple issues, stuff like that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get in here and get the pan off of it and see if it's got any metal in the pan. He said out of nowhere it just quit moving. He don't know why or anything like that. So let's see what we got in the pan. Doesn't want to turn very good. Oh, did you see that, guys? Fluid is just totally gunmetal gray. Kind of look at it that way, but you can see when I pulled it out what it really looked like. So there's going to be a lot of metal in the pan. Not sure exactly what, but we're going to find out. Nice pretty purple transmission. Deep pan. Didn't show to have any leaks. I think we might have some fluid in the connector. If you look up here by the connector, you can see that it's really wet up through here. So I'll try to set this down real quick, and maybe I might be able to grab it with my hands. See if I can squeeze this and try to. I'll lay the phone down for 5 seconds. Enjoy the red rag. Let me get the camera back. Look to see if we got any fluid in the connector. Of course, we do have fluid in the connector. Gosh dang it. Can't get the light just perfect. But, can you see the fluid dripping out of the connector, guys? So we know we have issues there. So once fluid gets in the connectors, the lockup will quit working. We have all kinds of multiple codes. Harsh downshifts, taking off its second gear, all kinds of stuff like that. So once that occurs, you're going to see tranny failure no matter how you look at it. So see it right there. So unfortunately, I don't have a tripod set up for the camera. We're going to clean the magnet off really quick, get the stuck back in, and then we will get the pan off, and we'll see you guys shortly. Richard back at you. We got Michael's Dodge on the list. We got his 48RE tranny down. In our earlier video, we were showing that the fluid was leaking out of the connector. But we also want to show you the problems that these vehicles have when the fluid gets out of the connector and comes out the ends of the wires and stuff like that. Check this out right here. Now you can see how soaked the connector is, just filled. But if you come over and blow this off, all these wires are shorting out. And I'm going to blow this out of here. It's going to be a little noisy. If you come here and look at this, see how the wires are all shortened? There's no coating on them anymore because the oil, I don't know if it just eats it off. But you get that much fluid around bare wires like that, it does not like it if it's puddling. It's kind of weird. You wouldn't think it would be the same on the inside of the tranny. You'd think it'd do the same thing, but when you get in an area where it puddles like that, it's just weird how it does it. But this thing is just full.
Oh wow, yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's just floating in fluid. And then you have all the wires that's ate up. And we'll cut these off and solder in more wires and stuff like that. Get heat shrink on them and stuff that really don't ever happen again. So, y'all need anything, give us a holler. Y'all stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.